Drone Spectacles by Juan, Maddie, Raven, and Kelly.
At different locations around the world, thousands of drones with pre-built programs perform together. At each performance, all the drones take off at the same time, flying into formations and displaying different lights. Just like the global live show One World, people can watch these performances together. The show includes not only figures, but also local dances at each location. For those who are trapped in other countries, this can bring the feeling of home to them and let them feel the special connection to their motherland. For others, this is the chance to experience different cultures and dances in a unique way. The main goal of drone performance is to cheer people up. From COVID-19 patients in hospitals to busy doctors to quarantined individuals, we hope to spread love and encouragement to everyone around the world. The difficult time will pass and the bright future is awaiting. People can watch the drone performances via live sports streaming platforms. These platforms have years of experience for live streaming, so the chance of technical issues are minimized. Since sports events have been canceled due to coronavirus, we can utilize these platforms to help them maintain their revenue. This would be especially helpful for sports channels like ESPN, which has already been losing customers to streaming services. Likewise, other large events like the Olympics, which media reports estimate a cost of $2 to $6 billion to postpone, could regain some losses by instead streaming similar performances.
Performances of this spectacle would take place live near hospitals in major cities affected by COVID-19. This way, first responders and patients can enjoy the show live, while the rest of the world can watch it virtually on a streaming platform. Some of the live performances will take place in hard-hit cities like New York City. New York currently has 139,000 confirmed cases that are mainly being treated in the New York Presbyterian hospitals across the state. New York is the epicenter of COVID-19 cases in the United States. In Italy, there are confirmed 183,000 cases of COVID-19, with Rome being the epicenter for infected individuals. The newly established Columbus COVID-2 hospital at the Gemelli University Polytechnic houses thousands of COVID-19 patients with mild to severe cases of the disease. In Barcelona, Spain, efforts have been made to open up hospital beds by moving the treatment of COVID patients to hotels across the city. The largest site is at the Meliá Sarrià Hotel with 300 rooms. The major hotels in Barcelona have offered up more than 2,500 rooms to those in need. Finally, in Paris, at the Bichat Claude Bernard Hospital, where there are close to 1,000 patients receiving treatment for COVID-related complications, along with several nearby pop-up facilities around the city. We chose to hold our performances live in these major cities to thank the first responders and bring hope to those affected by the disease.
Using swarm technology and local satellites, the drones are able to communicate with each other and navigate their surroundings. The satellites create a network for the drones to connect. This tells the drone its position in the sky as well as its relationship to the drones surrounding the space. Swarm technology means, like a flock of birds, they follow a leader. Once the animator has designed a path, an operator may ignite the sequence with a push of a button. LED lights within the device will make them stand out like fireworks against the sky. This wireless technology will help ensure the safety of our operator. We can use the technology based within the cities. We understand the risk we are asking of people to work on a performance, but with the technology involved, we should be able to maintain social distancing while also providing income to thousands of entertainers struggling with the quarantine order. In coordination with Intel, we can supply the different participating countries with drones that are built to withstand high altitudes and winds. Intel has already tested a modified version of this drone in the opening ceremony for the Olympics. The 15 countries participating will be in charge of selecting the underscore for their own performance. It can be a national anthem, cultural dance, or inspiring pop ballad. Our group is personally partial to the song Come Together by the Beatles, but the final decision remains with the country.
In our spectacle, we would like to have beautiful drone formations with many different colors. These would move around and create different images to represent different ideas. For example, they could represent fireworks in an environmentally friendlier way, and given they are almost silent compared to fireworks, you wouldn't miss out on the experience by watching it online. This spectacle could also share ideas like love and appreciation through simple symbols. Such symbols would also highlight the fact that even though we are separated, we are kept together through technology. These would be recurring in the drone formations to emphasize the messages we are trying to create. Symbols can also easily be recreated by drone owners to propagate the ideas. For example, we could implement trailing blue ribbons, a symbol of hope to show support for healthcare workers, as well as the many other causes a blue ribbon represents. Similarly, trailing house figures would drive home the importance of staying at home. We are all in this together. Drone performances would be created worldwide, highlighting cultural aspects. Salsa dance, for example, could be recreated in drone motions. Similarly, drones could recreate a lion dance with a shift of formation and colors, or, if too complicated, a lion's head could be represented instead. With no one on the street, gorgeous drone footage can be captured. Drones, originally capturing incredible pictures, would come together to initiate the performance. Additionally, nature could likewise be videotaped. While these are difficult times, we can recognize the benefit this is having on the environment today. Thank you for watching.